Hi everyone, this is a Zenitar 16mm f2.8 fisheye lens that I have. This time it's a M42 mount that I have. Show you guys what's in the box. So it comes with a manual here, and the lens itself. By the way, I'm a distributor for Zenit in Malaysia, so if you're interested in the Russian lenses, you can let me know, I can sell them to you. There's a link to my website in the description down below. Okay, so this is the lens itself. Russian paper, wrapped in Russian paper. Okay, so this is the this one looks a bit different, or does it? Oh, interesting, the printing is different. Wow, this one is here, this one don't have different printing. Okay, interesting. So this is the M42 version. So yeah, it's a fisheye glass, so you get a super fisheye view. It's a pretty nice lens to use. So yeah. Okay, so I'm gonna show you guys the glass itself. Last time they used to give the colored filter for, I think, for black and white purpose, for film shooting, but now they no longer give those. I wonder if I still have the glass from last time. I need to check, but yeah, it can be interesting. So yeah, there you go, the glass, the front and back, M42 mount, the sides, the aesthetics of it. So yeah, if you like this lens, you can let me know, I can sell it to you, you can reach out to me. My website is actually in the description down below. And if you find this video helpful, please like, subscribe and share. Thank you so much everyone for watching this. See you guys next time. Bye, God bless, see you.